Hi, this is SP recording for BeadsnFashion.com. This time we are going to learn how to use a needle pin vise. This needle pin vise can be opened out like this, where it has a screw. Inside it has a needle, the length of which can be adjusted. It can be taken out and the length of it can be adjusted. So if you want to use it with a normal small sized bead, you can insert it inside well enough and then screw the top back. Normally this is used to pierce holes in beads that do not have holes. Sometimes when you buy beads, you might see that the holes are closed. For example, in this bead, you can see that it has a hole on one side, but the other side it is blocked. So to pierce a hole in these kind of beads, you can use your needle pin vise to pierce it. To show you with a bigger bead, you can see that the hole is blocked here, but it has a hole on the other side. So you can just pierce the hole with your needle nose pliers, and you can even enlarge the hole. For example of enlarging the hole, you can see that it has holes on both sides, but when you want to use it with a thicker cord, you might see that this hole does not support this cord. So when you want to enlarge the size of the hole, you insert your needle nose, your pin vise, and then you make a rotating motion inside the bead so that the hole gets bigger. And then after that, you can see that the thread goes into the bead. Because the size of the needle coming out of the top can be adjusted, you can use it with small beads like these, or even with bigger beads like your rectangle beads and other beads found at Beads and Fashion. I'll show you how to do that. You take this top out, you fix the length at where you want to fix it, then you insert your top again and then screw it tight. And then now you can use it to pierce holes in big beads. For example, you can see that it is blocked here. So you can use it to push out whatever is blocking the bead. Now you can see that the hole is opened. You can do the same with your head pins as well, but head pins are generally not as strong as your needle pin vise. And with beads like stone beads or ceramic beads, your head pins might bend, but the needle nose pliers will be pretty useful to open out the holes. In Beads and Fashion, in order to avoid selling beads without holes, you might find that the packaging has beads already strung. So this avoids the problem of beads without holes.